Hi, boys and girls. Miss Greenhouse here. I'm going to give you a quick lesson on proportions of the face, or where to put the eyes, nose, and mouth and other facial features on your self-portrait. To make it look the best that it can, we want to put things in the right place. Let's talk first about the supplies we're going to need for this. Everyone's going to have some different facial feature ideas on these papers here. A lot of my classrooms are going to be using this packet, so please do not write on this packet because I'm going to be using it for my other students too. So let's keep this really clean. It's just for looking at. You're also going to have a little piece of white paper. That's going to be where you do your drawing. A head tracer, a pencil, a Sharpie, some colors, and a mirror. There I am. There's Miss Greenhouse. All right. The first thing we're going to do is trace this head tracer right in the middle of your white piece of paper using your pencil. I'm going to hold this down, the yellow tracer, with one hand, and I'm going to trace around it. Now I'm also going to make a little mark at the end of this plus sign on all four sides. So one little mark here, one little mark here, one little mark here, and one here. This line is where I'm going to put my eyes, right on that line. And you can draw the eyes any way you want. This line is where I'm going to put the nose and mouth. When I draw my eyes, I'm going to put one on this side and one on this side. You can look at the different eye shapes that are in this packet to decide what eyes you think are best for you. Look in the mirror, get some ideas, and then draw your eyes any way you want. One over here on the line and one over here on the line. I am not going to color these in yet because I'm going to color mine in with crayons, but eventually I will color all this in with crayon. I'm also going to add eyebrows above the eyes. And again, you can look in here. Let's see in the packet. There's all different ways to draw the eyebrows. Drawing your eyebrows in different ways really helps with different types of expressions. Then I'm going to draw the nose, and the nose is actually going to be halfway between this line here and the chin. So find about halfway and decide what kind of nose you like best. It can be one that's on here. All of these are really great and fun, or you can come up with your own idea for your nose. Look in the mirror. Think about what you want your nose to look like. Go ahead and draw that nose in. And the bottom of the nose, again, should be about halfway between the center line there and the chin. Then we're going to draw the mouth in here. The mouth should be about as wide as the middle of each eye. So it should be wider than the nose. Let's look at the mouth choices. There's so many fun ones. You can draw one like you see on here, or you can just do your own thing. So draw your mouth any way you want. If you want to add eyelashes, you can. Ears will be right in here on either side of the head. Between the eyes and the nose is where those fit in. See that? A neck. You won't have a whole lot of room for shoulders. I'm just going to draw the neck. Hair. Hair is going to happen partly in this area here inside the oval and then partly outside of the oval. and I have long hair, so I'm going to draw my hair long. Definitely look at the mirror and see what your hair does, and then make your hair happen on there. Of course, I'm going to take the time to outline this with Sharpie. I'm not going to outline all the hairs because I want to color mine with a brown crayon. But you will outline all of this with the Sharpie if you want to. You don't have to outline with the Sharpie. You could just do crayon. It's up to you how you want to finish this. But take your time. Do your best. Make it your own art. Create with courage. Don't be afraid. There we go. I think I'm about ready to color. I could come back with an eraser and erase things that maybe aren't pencil lines I want to keep. But I'm ready to add my color now. Okay, I hope this little video helps you in creating your own self-portrait. Good luck. Let me know if you have questions.